Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. So for this purpose, first you need to open Photos app on your mobile device. Then here I select this photo and I just click on this bin option and delete this photo. Now for recovering this photo, what you need to do, just scroll down. After scrolling, here you have two sections, media type and utilities. In utilities, you have recently deleted option, click on it. Then for seeing deleted photos, what you need to do, click on view album. It required Face ID for seeing deleted photos or for recovering them. So here I show my face at the front of camera for Face ID. And then you can see this recently deleted album page will appear on my screen. Here you can see this photo which I have recently deleted. For recovering it, click on that photo and here at the bottom right you have this recover photo option. Once you click on recover photo button, you can see your photo is recovered and you can easily see it in your photos. So it's very simplest and easiest way to recover permanently deleted photos on iPhone. So that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.